Imagine a machine so fast it could outrun the sun, a shadow crossing continents in the time it takes to watch a film. This was the SR-71 Blackbird, the world's fastest and highest-flying aircraft. It soared at the edge of space, its pilots clad in astronaut-like suits to survive the extremes. The Blackbird was a ghost, a legend whispered by America's enemies, a symbol of power and technological magic. Its mission, to see what others tried to hide, photographing secret bases and missile sites with astonishing detail. From over 80,000 feet, it could read a newspaper headline. Enemies scrambled jets and fired missiles, but the Blackbird was always too fast, never shot down, not once. Its existence was a closely guarded secret, its legend growing with every impossible feat. Built with tools and knowledge decades ahead of their time, its black paint absorbed radar and radiated heat. The SR-71 was more than a plane. It was a statement. America could go anywhere, see anything. It set speed records that remain unbroken, shrinking the globe to a map. The Blackbird gathered intelligence that shaped history, providing presidents with vital information during the Cold War's most dangerous moments. It was a silent guardian, its speed its ultimate shield. The Blackbird's myth set a standard that seemed impossible to surpass. It was the ultimate spy, a dark specter in the sky. Its missions were shrouded in secrecy, but its legend only grew. The world had never seen anything like it, and perhaps never would again. Why retire such an incredible machine? The SR-71 wasn't defeated by enemy missiles, but by paperwork and politics. As the Cold War faded, leaders argued the Blackbird was too expensive, and that satellites and drones could do its job more cheaply. The ghost of the skies was becoming a relic. Pilots and commanders protested. Satellites were predictable, their orbits known, while the SR-71 could appear anywhere, anytime. It offered flexibility satellites couldn't match, able to reach crisis zones on a moment's notice. But the Blackbird's complexity and cost made it an easy target for budget cuts. In 1990, the fleet was quietly retired, the king of speed sent to museums. America lost its all-seeing eye in the sky, leaving a gap in rapid, on-demand reconnaissance. Satellites and early drones couldn't fully replace it. The retirement was a strategic gamble, based on hopes for a new era of peace. But that hope didn't last. The world was changing, and the need for a machine like the Blackbird would soon return. The legend faded, but the void it left was undeniable. The Blackbird's absence would be felt as new threats emerged. The age of the silent guardian was over, at least for now, but the story wasn't finished. The peace of the 1990s was short-lived. The 21st century brought new tensions and adversaries. Russia and China modernized, building advanced air defenses and anti-access zones, making it dangerous for even stealth fighters to operate. America's ability to gather intelligence was challenged. Old methods were becoming obsolete. Subsonic drones were too slow, satellites too predictable. The Pentagon faced a speed and altitude gap, needing an aircraft that could penetrate defenses, gather intel, and escape before detection. The ghost of the SR-71 began to stir. Hypersonic technology became the new arms race, Mach 5 and beyond. At such speeds, response time shrinks to minutes. Mastery means strategic dominance. The US, Russia, and China poured billions into secret hypersonic programs. This was a new Cold War, fought in labs and test sites. The goal, a weapon that could strike anywhere on Earth in under an hour. For America, the answer was clear. It was time to build the Blackbird's successor. When the US needs a revolutionary aircraft, it turns to Lockheed Martin's Skunk Works, the legendary creators of the U-2, F-117, and SR-71. Skunk Works thrives on secrecy, speed, and risk-taking, free from bureaucracy. Their mission, build an aircraft faster than the Blackbird, stealthier than the F-117. The project SR-72, the son of Blackbird, a hypersonic, unmanned platform. The goal Mach 6, nearly 4,600 miles per hour, crossing the Atlantic in 45 minutes. It would be immune to existing air defenses, the ultimate intelligence tool. The challenge, surviving the heat, combining jet and scramjet engines, and remaining invisible to radar. Skunk Works was tasked with rewriting the rulebook of aerospace engineering. The son of Blackbird would be their greatest challenge yet. The race for the next ghost had begun. Officially, the SR-72 doesn't exist. The US government remains silent, but the clues are everywhere. Black project funds, cryptic statements, and hiring sprees for hypersonic experts all point to something big. In 2013, a Lockheed executive hinted at a hypersonic demonstrator by 2020. 1/3 for bunny signs, should then Bombay Brady Bowden Sand Stream. Wings. Unconfirmed sightings and mysterious landings at secret bases fuel speculation. Pop culture joined in. Top Gun Maverick's Darkstar looks suspiciously like SR-72 concept art, with Skunkworks consulting on the film. The real evidence is strategic necessity. The gap left by the SR-71 is real, and so is the threat from Russian and Chinese defenses. The global hypersonic race is on. In this context, a new hypersonic spy plane isn't just plausible, it's essential. The whispers persist because the need is undeniable. The SR-72, or whatever its true name, is the logical answer to today's security challenges. The ghost is taking shape, hidden in plain sight. The legend grows, even in silence. What makes the SR-72 so revolutionary? One number, Mach 6, over a mile per second, twice the speed of the Blackbird. At this velocity, it can reach crisis zones across the globe in about an hour. Its speed is its shield. By the time it's detected, it's already gone. The secret? A combined cycle engine. Jet for takeoff, scramjet for hypersonic flight. The scramjet, with no moving parts, uses sheer speed to compress air and generate thrust. Extreme stealth is built in. Sharp angles, radar-absorbent materials, and high altitude make it nearly invisible. Its unmanned design allows for extreme maneuvers and long missions. The SR-72 is both spy and strike platform, capable of gathering intel or launching hypersonic weapons. It can destroy high-value targets before they can be used. It's a dual-threat invisible observer, lightning-fast warrior. The Mach 6 Phantom is a leap beyond anything before it. It's a fleeting signal. Here one moment, gone the next. The ultimate ghost in the sky. Building a Mach 6 aircraft is a monumental challenge. The first enemy is heat. Friction at hypersonic speeds generates temperatures that can melt steel. Engineers use advanced ceramic and carbon composites, like those on the space shuttle, to survive the heat. The heart is the combined cycle engine, switching from jet to scramjet as speed increases. The scramjet is a tube where air, forced in at high speed, combusts with fuel. No moving parts needed. Stealth is another hurdle. Sharp angles, seamless panels, and radar-absorbing coatings scatter and absorb radar waves. Even the engine intakes and exhausts are hidden from radar. The goal, a radar signature no bigger than a bird. At Mach 6, remote control is tough. Radio signals lag, and jamming is a risk. The SR-72 must be highly autonomous, with AI to navigate, identify targets, and react to threats. It's not just a fast plane, it's a flying robot, a smart, lethal ghost. The edge of space is its domain. The future of flight is here. The SR-72 changes the rules of warfare. No current air defense can track or stop a stealthy target moving at Mach 6. It can gather intelligence or strike with impunity, acting as a powerful deterrent. Adversaries know their secrets can be exposed and their assets destroyed in minutes. The SR-72 removes the element of surprise, giving diplomats the information to prevent war. Its prompt global strike ability means threats can be neutralized before they're launched. The knowledge of its existence alone could prevent aggression. Its greatest power may be in preventing war, not fighting it. Like the Blackbird, the SR-72 is a ghost, a silent guardian. Its unseen presence may be the key to peace in an uncertain world.